Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 6 of Finance for Managers. In week 6, we're going to be talking about risk and return. And let's take a look at kind of the module 6 as it is and see kind of what we have in store for everybody. So we have these goals right here. So we're going to calculate expected returns and return on investments and look at historical returns and really understand systemic risk. So we're definitely going to learn about different risks and stuff of that nature. And it's one of those things where to be a good manager, you have to understand your risk and understand kind of what's going on in your business. So this week we're going to be reading chapters 10 and 11 of our textbook. We also have a discussion board post as well as an assignment due as well. Let me look at this interactive activity. Let's see what it says on this. Let's see what this is because this is a little different than normal. So the interactive activity kind of has questions on there for you guys to answer as well. So we have that too. So make sure you do that too. Those are the assignments for this week. If you have any questions or need anything from me, feel free to reach out. Thanks. Have a great day.